AI has permeated nearly every corner of modern life, from the way we fight disease to the way we forecast the weather. It's no longer confined to research labs or sci-fi scripts. It's quietly reshaping industries, workflows, and daily decisions in ways most of us don't even notice. So let's dive right in some of the coolest AI applications. AI can help doctors diagnose diseases such as Alzheimer's and pneumonia by analyzing X-rays and MRIs. AI can also help with drug discovery and development. Instead of scientists spending several years testing thousands of compounds, they can use AI to simulate the molecular interaction between each of these compounds and the human body. AI chatbots are at our fingertips as we can ask them to write prose, summarize text, and generate images. Many industries use AI chatbots to respond to preliminary questions before a customer is directed to a live person. In autonomous vehicles, AI can be used to detect a variety of different objects such as person, car, bicycle, etc. AI can also be used for facial recognition, with face unlock features on phones being a common application. It is also being used in spam detection for emails. If the email is from your grandma, not spam. But if it's from a Nigerian prince, probably spam. Voice assistants use AI to create seamless hands-free interactions as we can set reminders, navigate traffic, and control smart homes just by talking with the assistant. We can use AI to enhance weather forecasting by having the AI model learn from decades of historical weather data. AI can be used for sentiment analysis to easily obtain whether customers are leaving positive, negative, or neutral reviews without having to read each review one by one. In finance, AI can be used in anomaly detection, which is the observation of any rare or suspicious event. For example, AI can recognize fraudulent credit card purchases. Yes, I'm talking to you, Charlie. AI can also be used in algorithmic trading, where it can make decisions based on market trends. Another major application of AI is personalized recommendation, that is to suggest products based on user behavior. In agriculture, AI can be used to analyze satellite imagery and detect diseases in crops. AI can be used to identify authorship in text, which can be useful to know in many historical texts where authorship is disputed. It can be used to predict house prices, automatically caption images, and complete translations. It can be trained to play games and identify correct clothing sizes. It can be also used to generate music. Perhaps most importantly, AI can be used to create memes. Are there any other applications of AI that you can think of? The programming language most commonly used for AI and machine learning is Python, which is what we're going to use. R, Java, MATLAB, and Julia are also programming languages used for AI. There are several AI and machine learning libraries in Python that helps us with handling of data, training models, and visualization, such as Pandas, NumPy, scikit-learn, Matplotlib, TensorFlow, and PyTorch. We will be going over all these libraries and so many others in later modules. So until then, see you next time. Want to go deeper into AI? Check out the MehtA Plus certification program. Details in the description. Don't procrastinate.
M-E to the H-T-A plus, that's my zone. Leaping hurdles, breaking boundaries, never alone. Miss Paws on the block.